My name is David Rosenblum. I'm an interventional pain physician. I've been working with Empire Medical Training for about 8 years now, and I am originally an anesthesiologist. I specialize in ultrasound-guided injections, regenerative medicine, and I'm a leader in pain medicine education via the Empire platform as well as various academic societies. The benefits of the Empire Medical Training Pain Management Program is that the Empire program is constantly evolving. The content is always being improved and updated as new advances in pain medicine happen. There's mention of the latest treatments such as regenerative medicine, PRP, as well as many others. In addition, Empire allows the participants to actually participate in the ultrasound scanning or the other procedures that we're doing. For instance, sometimes we do fluoroscopy-guided procedures, and there's a lot of hands-on work during the courses. Some of the courses are cadaver courses, so the 3-day course especially gives a nice overview of the specialty of pain management, and it gives a well-rounded experience. People come from different walks of life into these courses, and everybody takes away something different. There's a wide variety of treatments available for pain management, and most people can find what they're looking for at these courses. Clinicians who are interested in implementing pain procedures into their practice, whether it's just a knee injection or something more advanced, will benefit from coming to these courses. Some people only want to do regenerative medicine, and we offer quite a bit of that, and we facilitate it by first providing evidence-based education, as well as a well-rounded approach to evaluating the patient in pain and thinking of all the options. Not every clinician can do every procedure, but at least the clinicians are made aware about them and they know when to refer the patient for more advanced procedures that may or may not be in their scope of practice. A regenerative medicine procedure, for example, is not covered by insurance, and the reimbursement or the collections could range from a few $100s to a few $1,000s. The cost of a course to learn the techniques is a lot less than the amount of money that someone can be compensated for within a week or a few days of practicing these regenerative medicine procedures. Some of the higher end procedures are reimbursed quite well with pain management, but the insurance companies are always cutting back. That being said, there's still room for clinicians to perform interventions, treat the pain, minimize opiates, help the patients, and also have a profitable experience. My favorite things to teach are regenerative medicine and ultrasound. I think ultrasound is still underutilized, underappreciated by the payers, as well as regenerative medicine for that matter. And it is the future. If you're not using ultrasound, it enables you to see the nerve or the target, see what you want to inject and what you don't want to inject. Especially when we're doing high-end regenerative medicine procedures where there's BMAC or PRP involved and patients are paying a lot of money for these procedures, you want your injections to be safe and accurate. It's another level of care that patients have come to expect. If they're getting a PRP injection in their knee and there's no guidance, some patients may think that there's something off or something wrong. While you don't need to have an ultrasound to do a knee shot, it is very helpful. And I think that the ultrasound will enable you to not only perform joint injections, but isolate the nerves to provide anesthesia for chronic pain problems, as well as for the injections of other substances into a body part. You could use the ultrasound to find the nerve and anesthetize it to alleviate pain so that patient has a better experience. My name is David Rosenblum, and I invite you to join Empire Medical Training. We have a wide variety of courses and a multidisciplinary approach to evaluating pain patients and offering multiple interventions to safely treat pain, minimize opiates, and help your bottom line.